Hi guys, I got this label maker on Amazon. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now you notice it comes with these instructions here, which have these nice pictures, nice easy to read instructions. Next, you're going to find the unit itself. This is the label maker. This thing is pretty cool, guys. We're going to go ahead and pop this up. Now inside here is your roll of film for your labels. Also, it comes with a built-in cutter here, so as the labels eject, you'll be able to cut them off where you want it. Also, the last thing in here is this, guys. This is just simply the cord. It's a USB Type A to USB Type C cord. This thing is very cool. It's going to operate, it's going to connect Bluetooth to your mobile device or your computer, so you'll be able to print things wirelessly.